How can I tell if my device is in S mode and needs to be turned off?
Hello viewers, in this video, we'll explore how you can determine if your device is operating in S mode, and if so, how to disable this mode. Understanding whether your device is in S mode is crucial because it impacts the kind of software you can install on your device.
What is S mode?
Before we dive into the process, let's quickly discuss what S mode is. S mode is a feature in Windows 10 and Windows 11 that limits your device to install applications only from the Microsoft Store and uses Microsoft Edge for safe browsing. This mode is designed to provide a more secure experience, but it can be restrictive if you need to install software not available in the Microsoft Store.
How to check if your device is in S mode?
Checking if your device is in S mode is a simple process. 1. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app. 2. Then, navigate to System, About. 3. Scroll down to Windows Specifications. 4. Here, you can see if the words "in S mode" appear next to your Windows edition. If you see "in S mode" listed, your device is currently operating in S mode.
How to disable S mode?
If you've determined that your device is in S mode and you want to disable it, follow these steps. 1. Open the Settings app again. 2. Go to Update and Security Activation. 3. Find the Switch to Windows Home Pro section, and click on the Go to the Store link. 4. This will take you to a Microsoft Store page for switching out of S mode. 5. Click on the Get button. After a moment, you will see a confirmation message that you are out of S mode. Please note that once you've disabled S mode, you cannot re-enable it. Be sure you want to disable this feature before proceeding. And that wraps up our video on how to identify if your device is in S mode and how to disable it. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, while S mode provides additional security, it may not be suitable for everyone's needs. Consider your software requirements carefully before deciding to disable it. Thanks for watching.